fine students. In the last class we had learned about the habitat and the terrestrial habitat. In the terrestrial habitat we had learned about the desert plant. How the desert plant is modified and how the characteristic of the desert plant is. And now we are going to learn about the mountains. Mountains means desert plant, they are, I said that I had given the explanation of the camel also, and I had given the explanation of the cactus plant. Cactus plant where the leaves are modified into spines. Understood? Now we are going to see about the mountain regions. Mountain region, the temperature is very cold and mostly winter season will be there. Okay, so the trees which they are on mountain region, they are also having some special type of characters. One of the character is that they don't flower, they don't produce flowers, and the plants are in such a way they are conical in shape. They are conical in shape, tall and long. They are tall and long, and they are conical in shape. So we are calling that plants as coniferous. What we are calling it as? Coniferous. So why their structure is in cone shape? Because when the snow fall down, that will slip and fall on the ground. Understand? Snowfall रहता है, so what happens? The snow will fall down automatically from the ground. So the trees won't take that snow. Understand? That slip away and they fall on the ground. Understand? They are non-flowering plants. Mountain region plants are non-flowering plants. They don't have any flowers and they are tall. Understand? Since they are in cone shape, we are calling it as coniferous. Understand? And the animals that live in the mountain region, you might see white leopard is there. Their colors are in such a way that they can hidden inside the snow region. Understand? Polar bear, Antarctica, that polar bears are there. They are having that white fur, so they can hide. And even penguins are there. They are on the winter regions. Understand? So उनके skin में either fur will be there or else their skin के अंदर नीचे एक fat का layer होता है. Because of that layer they won't feel too cold. Understood students? This is about the mountain region and grasslands. Grasslands means forest. Forest में जो animals रहते हैं, that animals are having the same color. सूखा grass देखा ना, dry grass. Even tiger and lion, how they are? Their skin is matched with the, what you will say, grass, and they will hide and they will attack the prey. Prey means food, and these attackers are called as predators. Predators means the one who attacks is called as predator, or जो get hurt, that person is called as prey. इधर predator कौन है? Lion is the predator. Prey कौन सा होता है? Deer. Deer is the prey. Understood? Grasslands में ज्यादा animals, wild animals होते हैं. इधर predator and prey होता है. Understood? Next adaptation we are going to see is aquatic adaptation. Already I said wherever the word aqua comes, water. Aquatic adaptation, how the animals are living in aquatic adaptation. First is ocean. In ocean, the animals like blue whale, shark, they are living. Yes, they are living, and they also take the oxygen. Oxygen like us. Normally what we will say, fish will take oxygen from water. But the ocean animals like blue whales, shark, dolphins, they won't take oxygen from the water. Instead, they are taking oxygen from the air. That's why you can see that the fish is coming on the surface. Surface में आता है and they are having the hole. ऐसा आता है inside the near the head, here one hole is there. एक बड़ा सा hole रहता है. You can see that sometimes water is spraying from the hole. वो breath लेकर छोड़ता है ना, तब water spray होता है. Understood? This blue whale, what they are doing, they come outside the, come outside means like dive. They will do, or else they will come on the surface of the water. Water ऐसा रहता है तो surface में आता है, and then they are taking the oxygen and then giving out, and with by 2 hours 3 hours they can stay inside the water उतना oxygen लेकर. Understood? This is about the ocean. And ocean, which water will be there? Saline water. Saline water means the water contains salt. Understood? Now, pond and lakes. Pond and lakes में जो animals रहते हैं, I already said, fish. They breathe through gills. Gills आपने देखा है fish की जैसा eyes है इस तरफ आप देख सकते हैं, थोड़ा सा skin ऐसा हिलता है when they are moving. There you can see that if this is the fish, then here you can see that here the skin is moving. That is called as gills. That is called as gills. The water enter into the gills of the fish and they will remove the water through mouth. That's why they continuously opening the mouth. Means so gills क्या करता है, water के अंदर जो oxygen है that they will take and remaining water they will throw away through the removed by the mouth. Okay. And next is, apart from that animals, plants are also there. Some plants are there in the what you will say pond and water. Mostly pond आपको बोलेंगे तो which plant you will remember? Lotus. Lotus is always. That plants are divided into two. One is floating plant. जो plant water में lakes में रहते हैं उसको two types में डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. One is floating plant, another one is submerged plant. Submerged plant जो plant surface में float होता है, then we are calling it as floating plant. Example water and lily. Example water and lily. Submerged plants they completely present inside the water और इनकी leaves क्या होता है needle shape में होगा. Which shape it will be? Needle shape. And they will be having the waxy coating. Waxy coating means एक coating जैसा होता है जिसके वजह से वो पानी के अंदर रहने से खराब नहीं होता है. Understood students? These are the things about the plants that lives in the pond and lake. And ocean में भी plants रहता है that you can see that coral type. Coral type means colorful. Completely you can't say. आप लोग movies में देख सकते हैं ना, एक colorful का ऐसा finger type रहता है, ऐसा color जैसा.
Yes, ma'am.
That is also water plant that lives in ocean. Understood? And here comes the end of this chapter. End of this today's class. And in next class we will see the characteristic of living thing. What are the characteristics that the living thing shows? Okay. Thank you.